After commotion inside the now shuttered Halifax Ale House led to a bartender and bouncer jumping the bar, Ryan Sawyer and his brother Kyle were kicked out. Prosecutors say Kyle's decision to shove Alexander Levy early that Christmas Eve morning was regrettable and unfortunate, but that it caused the head of security, Alexander Levy, to spiral.
His fuse was lit at that point, and he was angry. He was hot-headed. So the purpose, in the Crown's view, wasn't to defend himself or anyone else for that matter. It was violence.
Levy's lawyer says Justice James Chipman ought to consider the self-defense argument. James Giacomintonio said his client engaged with Ryan Sawyer after another bouncer was losing control of him shortly after the brothers were escorted outside. Levy had testified last week he applied a rear naked chokehold approximately 100 times, and his lawyer said that was taught to him and employed successfully many times. Giacomintonio declined speaking to reporters, but in court said, quote, "The hold in particular was not a dangerous act. It just caused a catastrophic outcome." Both the Crown and the defense took about 90 minutes to summarize their case to the judge and answer his questions. One key point of dispute is how long Levy choked Sawyer. Levy testified in his own defense, estimating that he squeezed Sawyer's neck for 10 to 15 seconds, then held him while awaiting the police arrival. But that's a far cry from the Crown's position.
It's our view that the chokehold was put on Ryan Sawyer for somewhere closer to 2 minutes.
Crown Prosecutor Rob Kennedy said Sawyer's death was a completely avoidable tragedy and that Levy's actions were overzealous, disproportionate, and violent. The judge reserved his decision until November 26th. Callum Smith, CTV News, Halifax.